Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you the best new makeup products that you need to try. As the beauty industry is constantly evolving, new products are being released all the time. That's why we've done the research and testing for you, and we've come up with a list of our favorite new products that you won't want to miss. First up, we have the Tarte C Hydrosealer Concealer. This lightweight concealer not only provides full coverage but also hydrates the skin. It's infused with marine plant extracts and hyaluronic acid, making it perfect for those with dry skin. It's also vegan and cruelty-free. Next, we have the Fenty Beauty Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint. This skin tint provides a natural, blurred finish, perfect for those who prefer a more natural-looking base. It's also available in a wide range of shades, making it easy to find your perfect match. It's also lightweight and oil-free, making it ideal for those with oily skin. Moving on to the eyes, we have the Huda Beauty Naughty Nude Eyeshadow Palette. This palette features a range of sultry, warm-toned shades that are perfect for creating a variety of eye looks. The formula is highly pigmented and blendable, making it a must-have for any makeup collection. It also comes with a mix of matte and shimmer shades, giving you more options for creativity. For the lips, we have the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon Lipstick. This long-wearing lipstick provides bold color and a comfortable matte finish. The crayon format makes it easy to apply, perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. It's also available in a variety of shades, ranging from nudes to bold reds. Last but not least, we have the Pat McGrath Labs Sublime Perfection Foundation. This luxurious foundation provides buildable coverage and a radiant finish, giving you a flawless, glowing complexion. It's available in a wide range of shades, making it easy to find the perfect match for your skin tone. It's also enriched with a blend of hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and vitamin E, making it perfect for those with dry skin. That's it for our list of the best new makeup products you need to try. Whether you're looking for a new concealer, skin tint, eyeshadow palette, lipstick, or foundation, we've got you covered. These products are sure to elevate your makeup game and give you a fresh, updated look. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.